pilot by profession. So earlier, prior to Saraswati opened, I stopped eating wheat because as soon as I used to eat chapatis made of normal wheat, my stomach used to get bloated. So I literally stopped eating. People used to say it's because of gluten or whatnot, but I just stopped eating. But ever since Sachin has started supplying Bansi atta, Lokmanya atta, and we usually consume his non-perishables. So means the rotis are amazing, and it has no ill effect on my stomach. We are enjoying the attas supplied by him. So this organically produced wheat from which Sachin is extracting the atta, it's very good. So, and we are enjoying his rice. So like my whole family is in love with the rice supplied by him. Now we are using shakkar chini.
I'm a customer of Saraswati for nearly a year now. Initially I started off buying just vegetables, but over a period of time I order his dals, rices, spices, practically everything that is available there. What I like about Saraswati is the fact that they provide you certificates, not just from the farmers. They also test the products on and off, and send those certificates to us, which has kind of helped me trust the products, and it works very well for somebody like me who is a working professional, and I just have to order it on WhatsApp and he delivers it home on specified days.
Hi, this is Pooja Ahmed. I wanted to give feedback about Saraswati because I've been using it for about 1.5 years now, and I thought if this helps others who want to try anything organic, then I would let them know. So my experience has been absolutely amazing. So I remember tasting his grapes, pomegranate, oil initially, and that was an awesome experience. And then I just kept ordering from him because they are 100% organic. That's what I realized, that he gets his own certification done also, doesn't take whatever farmer is telling you on face value. He has tie-ups with farmers for a very long time now. So he's been associated with farmers of various parts of the country for a long time, and he maintains a very good rate for them. So that is great. In a way, you're giving them money that they deserve for the organic food that they are producing. And we, on the other hand, are getting the organic fresh produce. The other thing is that the variety that he is able to offer, it's absolutely amazing. So right from oils to things like khajur katli, dates, amla murabba, amla candy. I'm a big fan of amla candy. Whenever I'm traveling, I carry that along with dry fruit. Dry fruits also mostly I take from him. Mangoes, the variety of mangoes that he's been giving in summers is absolutely amazing. It's the second season now that I'm taking from him. And even the millets I get from him, honey I get, jaggery, the good that he offered in winters with those dry fruits and coconut shavings. So, very different kind of things. So even if it's a little extra on my pocket, I don't mind, because I really like the taste and they're 100% genuine. I'm a regular milk customer for him as well. I don't take milk from anywhere else because I see a lot of difference between this milk and the other milk that I used to take from Amul or from Country Delight. Paneer is amazing. Their mushroom bread was amazing. So a lot of things which others are not able to offer, or I haven't even tried, haven't even felt the need to go to anywhere else and try it. So I would suggest that do give it a try. Saraswati, it's there, it's very convenient, and the staff is great. I have never had any problem. They they deliver on their commitment. All in all, great experience. I would recommend Saraswati. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would recommend it at 9 or 10.